What's going on, Mother Truckers? Alex Maya with Mother Trucker News. Alfie just put this out and pretty much wanted me to bust out this truck driver. He swerved right into a Saia carrying doubles and basically made this man flip. Alfie actually was right behind him with this dash cam footage. Could not get the license plate, but as you can see from the trailer, possibly you guys know what company this is. But basically he stopped his truck, went out, broke the windshield to get this man out of his semi truck safely. So Alfie, I appreciate you for that. This happened right outside of Morgantown, West Virginia on the 79 North. So here's the dash cam footage of this. But Mother Truckers, definitely keep your eyes peeled if you see a trailer that has some damage on it. It definitely looks like a company truck. I'm not sure what company, but Mother Truckers, definitely keep your eyes open. Just like Alfie put this truck on Front Street, and that's what we're doing here. Mother Truckers, comment down below if you have any information about anything, confessions, questions, or videos. mothertruckernews@gmail.com. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Alfie, thanks for helping out that truck driver.